Hello YouTube audience, today I'm gonna share with you a trick recently I discovered. It's a trick help you to make over $200 a week without any effort or requirements. So this trick is about an affiliate marketing, which is you do some ads for products from eBay on Craigslist. When people ask you for that product, you tell them that it's out from your stock, but there are some products you put on eBay, and this way you make people from Craigslist buy products from eBay from a different guy on eBay without meeting you, and you take your commission money. So first of all, you must have two things: an eBay partner network, which is an affiliate marketing program by eBay. So first of all, sign up for eBay partner network, then go to dashboard here like you see, and scroll down up here, create links while browsing eBay. You drag this to there and go to electronics on eBay, or cars or fashion. You must pick some products that you think gets more traffic, like Legos. Legos are selling like hotcakes, or electronic products. For me, I'm gonna pick a products Lego. This is fine for me. You come to the products you pick and download some pics of that product easily without any difficulties. After you take the pics, go to Craigslist and click on creating a posting. Let's go to toys. Let's put the title Lego Marvel Superheroes Avengers. Put the price $22. You can pick the city and neighbors, preferably not to pick. Description the same as the title. Condition in you. Guys, before you post on Craigslist, you must have an account like me. It's easy to sign up for Craigslist also, and sign up for eBay Partner Network. If you need any help with them, I'm here. Just tell me or email me. Let's edit image with. I'm gonna just post one pic. It's a trick to show you how to post. Publish. The trick come here when someone on Craigslist put a research about Legos and end up on your products. He will email you about this product. After he email you, you just send him a message. You can message telling him that the product is run out from your stock, but you have a small stock on eBay. This trick is gonna make that guy buy from another person on eBay, and you take commission. So when he messages you about the products on Craigslist, you come to this product here and click on EPN. EPN will give you a link to these products. You give to the seller, the buyer, I mean the buyer from Craigslist. When the buyer from Craigslist buy on eBay from the link you sent, there are commission about $4 to $6 sent to your account. So it's easy. The thing is easy and done. As a summary, you must have two things: eBay Partner Network account and Craigslist, which is a local free online shop. You take some products that you think make a more traffic and post it on Craigslist. When a buyer from Craigslist asks you about this product, you just give him that link you created and tell him that you ran out of the stock but you have some on eBay. This buyer gonna buy from another person and you take your commission. It's easy.